Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, the INFP, Barack Obama, the ENTP. Now you must be wondering what these four-letter acronyms mean. Let me clear your confusion. These acronyms consist of a combination of four letters that stand for the personality types, and these personality types are 16 in number. MBTI is the most popular psychological assessment in the world today. It is a personality test that helps us understand one's personality type. The theory of psychological types was proposed by Carl Jung way back in 1917 and developed in 1940s by the mother-daughter duo Briggs and Myers. This is where it gets its name, Myers-Briggs. For the last 50 years, it has been the leading questionnaire to identify one's type based on four aspects of personalities. Now, what are these four aspects? They're called the dichotomies. The first dichotomy is extroversion versus introversion, based on where do you get your energy from? Do you get it from the outside world or from within? So let me ask you a question. After an exhaustive day, what do? Do you pick up the phone, call up a friend and say, let's meet up for coffee? Or you say, please do not disturb me, and sit with a book all by yourself. So if you get your energy from the outside world, you are choosing extroversion. Or from the inside world, being by yourself, then you are choosing introversion. The second dichotomy is sensing versus intuition. This dichotomy deals with how do you gather information? What is your personal process of gathering information? Do you take up facts and figures to conjure up the complete picture? Or do you see the bigger picture first and fill in the details later? So the question to answer here is, do I rely on the facts and dates, that is specific information, as a sensor, or do I see the patterns and meanings even before I take in data, like an intuit? The third dichotomy is thinking and feeling. Now, this is a decision-making dichotomy. Not to say that thinkers don't feel or feelers don't think. It is just that at that point of taking a decision, you weigh objective principles with your rational mind. Then you are a thinker. While for feelers, it is usually a decision taken from the heart, taking into account people involved and people concerned. Just a disclaimer, one shouldn't confuse feeling with emotion and thinking with intelligence over here. The fourth dichotomy is judging versus perceiving. It defines how you would like to live your outer life. Do you prefer a more structured, decided lifestyle, or a more flexible and adaptable one? You like to have things pre-decided or like to respond spontaneously to whatever happens? So now, with all of this, what do we have over here? 16 personalities, each one of them with their own set of skills and talents which emerge from their preferential choices. The personality types are a way to sort, not to measure. It is a self-revealing test that kind of decodes your psychological code, the drivers behind your thought process. The big question will be, why do I even need to know my type? Well, to understand yourself better, why else? By getting to know your type, you can get to know your true potential. You can put your efforts in the most suitable direction. thereby getting better results. Not just that, it helps in understanding other people and appreciating the differences. And of course, greater self-awareness, better self-management. When one is better synchronized with oneself, it leads to enhanced personal and professional growth. Knowing one's type helps us to know ourselves and develop better as a professional. Helps to make a constructive use of individual differences. It creates a better understanding with teams, and of course, makes one more productive. It helps make constructive use of individual differences. Finally, it leads to enhanced personal and professional growth. So here we are, 16 personality types. Each one of them has its own set of skills and talents. It is with this test that one can know one's true potential, whether it is forming a team of people at the workplace or dealing with tricky situations of your career or relationship. MBTI can help you sail through it effortlessly. Only certified professionals are allowed to analyze and deliver the results. So get to know who you really are. Get to know the unmasked version of yourself today.